the return on investments on real estate in India was about 7%. The Cannes returned 9%. Women-centric movies, the top 4 out of the 10, or the 5, sorry, returned well north of 25%. Yeah, which is remarkable. Be happy to share this link with you guys, but what do you think of this?
I think it's amazing, and I think, look, I think it's nice for us to say women-centric or female-centric at you know, at a moment like this when we're talking about female role models. Having said that, when it comes to creativity, we need to look beyond female or male. It's about the film. If the film didn't work, you know, it's okay. It's a different thing that the films that the Khans didn't work. But say there was a film like Andhadhun that was led by Ayushmann. So I think that it really boils down to the script itself. But yes, I see a trend, which is films that, you're right, films that are being led by women are doing much better. Also, we're in a place today where directors are changing roles, and that's unheard of. You have, you know, if you have a script that sort of has a male protagonist, and suddenly directors are like, 1 second, let me just flip that, let me just make that a female protagonist, and then go to so-and-so with the film. So you hear of a film that was offered to a male actor like 2-3 years ago, and it's coming back to you now with a female protagonist, is a huge achievement, you know. But as a creative person, I would not like to make this distinction of like, you know, male-led and female-led and all of that. I would just say that I think great content is what is really working right now. And I think a lot of that has to go to the audience. They're ready for that. I don't think it matters today anymore who is in the movie. It really depends on the kind of story that's being told, you know, how well the director's telling that story, you know. So there's a lot of these factors also, I think, that are playing a very, very important role in, you know, in the success of these films. Sure. You know, it's not, I don't think you can blindly say, okay, so-and-so's in the film, so let's go and watch it. I think 2018 was a clear sort of,
watershed year,
you know, on that, you know. So you have to sort of, right from the promo, the posters, all of that, I think that the audience has that pulse. I think they know instantly from the minute that first trailer goes out, they know at that very moment whether they want to watch that film or not. Of course, there are films that may not be sort of trending right from the start, but then they release on that weekend and there's that word of mouth that sort of, you know, helps elevate the film. But yes, I think gone are the days when you just had like a big star on a film poster and that film worked.
Makes sense.
Yeah.
Thank you.